Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can block or silence unknown callers on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen you want to tap on settings, and in settings go down and tap on phone. Next we want to go down to the calls section and then we head down to silence unknown callers. So tap on unknown callers, and in here tap on silence unknown callers. So tap on the switch to turn it on. If this is turned on when someone calls you and they do not have a number, basically their call will be silenced and automatically sent to voicemail. But you still get to display, you still get to see them. You still can see the call history in the recent list. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or turn off silence unknown callers on the iPhone 13 series. Finally, we can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.